Okay, we're doing the first feeding. Let's see who's smart. Chloe, I know you're smart. What about your babies? Oh boy. Chloe, let your babies eat. Leave it. Let your babies eat. What do you think, kiddos? Come here. Come here, kiddos. Chloe likes it. Claire likes it, don't you, Claire? Charlemagne likes it. What do you think, Claire? What do you think, babes? Come on, Charlemagne. What do you think, big guy? What do you think? Come here, Celeste. Give it a try, baby. Try it. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Come here, Hale. Give it a try. Give it a try. Mama likes it. Mama likes it. Oh, boy. Yes, you're hungry. Hungry, hungry. Chloe.